Start.
My name is Purvi Madakhandi. I am studying in 3rd standard. My school name is Classic International Public School. His name is Vivan Reddy. He is studying in nursery. His school name is Poda Jumbo Kids. Now we are going to show you the cars.
आराम से.
This is a Jeep. This is a Cora. This is a small excavator. This is a big Lamborghini. This is a Vento. This is a Jeep. This is a Hummer. This is a Ford. This is a Beetle car. This is a Vento. This is Lamborghini. This is a Vento. This is a big Lamborghini. This is a Monster Machine. This is Monster Machine. This is Auto Rickshaw. This is a Ferrari Gadi. This is Lightning McQueen. This is a Ferrari. This is a big excavator. This is a Ferrari. This is a crane. This is a big sports car machine. This is a Jeep. This is anti-car. This is your This is bullet train. This speed car. This both are sports car. This is a Skoda. Thank you for seeing our video.
Good.